so there are a lot of people in conventional businesses, right, who look at tech founders raising millions and get, um, for the lack of better word, jealous, right? And they like that. Okay, we wish we could be that. I've been a tech founder all my life. I know how hard it is to even build a positive revenue company from scratch, and especially in tech. What would be your advice to folks in conventional businesses, who want to start a tech startup?
I would suggest them not to take the reverse journey which you took from being a tech founder to a marketer. I think they shouldn't move from a marketer to try to become a techie because it's quite a difficult job. And so I think they should leverage their actual experience which they have gained working in the sector which they belong, and use that intuition to actually build products. First would be hiring a good development agencies, leave the tech bit to them, and use your experience, use what you know best. That is something I would tell them. Firstly, the other aspect would be storytelling is important, either to your investors or to the team or to your customers, because frankly speaking, you just have a vision in mind, and for people to feel that vision, you need to be a good storyteller. And actually, they can use their rich experience to augment or amplify those stories. So I think these would be the two advice for them. Don't be intimidated by tech, and also not try to become a techie. Use your experience to guide you. That would be it.
Amazing. Right, right. Don't try to. So you are against building your own startup from Lovable and Windsurf and those, like, you're against vibe coding your own app.
You can do that, but I would say that leave it to the people who know it best. I
Amazing. Yay. Happy for that. Happy for that.
I did actually build a part of my app, the UI interface
Mm-hmm.
through Lovable, but
Mm-hmm.
I would
Right.
say that is just an intuition, or that is just the beginning of something which I think you should leave it to the techies to solve it for you.
True, no, true. I think Lovable, these vibe coding tools are amazing to build MVPs and to show your idea, right? I think that's earlier what used to happen is, if if you have an idea, you think that there's you want to do this XYZ thing, there was no way to explain it to a developer that, okay, what do you want, right? I think these tools can be used to explain it, not just explain, but actually to build a working prototype to see if your idea is working or not. But the moment you want to move it to production, you need real talent, right? You cannot
Uh,
cannot vibe code your
so,
way through a.
so one thing I
Yeah.
would want to add is that even not also explaining it to the developer, using these tools make things clearer in your mind as well, that how you can
True.
actually build those things.
Yes. Right. Right. True. Very true. Great, Nikhil. This has been amazing.